All right, cooking Malaysian food with Chef Ivana, episode 4. We've done ramly burgers at home, nasi kukus, and nasi lemak. Ivana's a pro of Malaysian food now. What's on the menu today, Ivana?
Buttermilk chicken.
Buttermilk?
It's not like the butter chicken the Indian does it. It's different. It's the Malaysian version.
Right.
Yeah.
Kind of prefer it over butter chicken.
They're both good.
Both
Just
good.
different.
Buttermilk chicken, quite nice. Okay, rice, chicken, buttermilk sauce. We've got all the ingredients here.
So first we got the meat here. We got fish, chicken, egg whites, and flour. The flour I mixed it with starch and pepper and salt and spices. And then we're gonna deep fry them.
Ooh, chicken too, eh?
Yeah.
Sorry, fish too.
Yeah.
Sounds good.
And then this is for the sauce. We got chilies, garlic, curry leaves, condensed milk, evaporated milk, and peanut butter.
Peanut butter, secret ingredient.
Yeah.
Okay, Ivana. Let's do it.
Okay, first things first, we gotta get the pieces of fish and chicken covered in egg whites and also in this flour. Just like that. So we got all the fish all covered up with eggs and flour.
Right.
And now we're gonna do chicken. And just to make it fun, I'm gonna add curry powder into the flour.
Cool.
Just to make it a little bit different than the fish.
There you have it. Chicken on the left, fish on the right. Dun 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 dun. Next stop, the oil.
So I'm not too sure what the rules here. Are you supposed to fry the fish first or the chicken first?
I would guess, Ivana, if I had a guess, with no cooking experience, I would do the chicken first because I feel like the fish will make everything taste like fish.
Okay, chicken first then.
Chicken first, my guess. That doesn't make you hungry. You must be vegetarian. Looks like a little turkey.
You're right. Gobble, 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 gobble. Okay, so we got all the chicken and the fish. The pieces, they're all fried and ready to be mixed into the sauce. But we still have to prepare the sauce, so we're gonna do that now. So we're gonna add the chili, garlic, and curry leaves into the butter and saute it until it turns golden. Smells good.
Ooh, smells really good. Oh, you're allergic to it.
The chili got into my nose. So now the garlic has turned golden, and now we're gonna add some evaporated milk. I think we're gonna use the whole pan. What do you think?
Whole can?
I'm not sure.
I feel like, what's in the evaporated milk? Is it full of sugar?
No? Just milk.
Ingredients: milk, refined palm oil. No sugar.
No.
Okay, then go ahead. I thought it was full of sugar. I thought we were gonna have the whole can that was gonna be full of sugar. No, go ahead.
Condensed milk has sugar. So this one is the one that is sweet and it's more thick. So I think just a tablespoon for now. We will add according to our taste. If it tastes good, then it's good. If it needs more, then we'll add more. That's just my style of cooking. There's really no real measurement. It's all on how the product tastes on my tongue. And one more ingredient to add to the sauce is peanut butter. So just for now, I'm gonna add just a tablespoon, like this much, into the sauce. Really good. I'm just gonna add a little bit more salt. You know what? I think I'm gonna thicken the sauce just a little bit. So I'm gonna put some flour and mix it with water. This is the consistency that it is right now. I'm not quite sure if this is the right consistency for the sauce, but I think I'm gonna make it a little bit more thicker. Yeah, I think it's ready. So I'm gonna mix the chicken and the fish into this sauce mix, and then we will serve it with rice.
saucy, rice.
Yeah, so this is the fish and that's the chicken.
Okay. You know what I've learned from YouTube? Everyone's told me you eat rice with a spoon. So I'm gonna do the right thing. Everyone says, look at this white guy eating rice with a fork. Wow. The sauce with rice alone is good.
The sauce is good.
Just the sauce? Yeah, it won't focus. There you go. Oh, there you go. Just the sauce alone?
This curry leaves makes the difference. I love this curry leaves.
Let me see if I prefer chicken or fish. Oh, good looking bite. I think I prefer the fish. Yeah, the fish is nice. The chicken is more crunchy, but the fish flavor actually goes well with the buttermilk. This is the kind of food you could seriously overeat. It's just so satisfying in your mouth. You could just never be full of it. You could seriously overeat this. The peanut butter is so good in there. This in the background, a little bit of peanut butter. And the sauce. But the fish I think is better. Can you believe that?
They're both good.
I think I prefer the fish. Because the flavor of the fish, chicken has like no flavor. But it's still good. But the crunch is nice. But the fish actually has a flavor that goes with the buttermilk. The fish is good. Can you believe that? 2 years ago, we started traveling. I didn't like fish at all. The fish is nice, Ivana. Actually, I don't know. The chicken's pretty good too.
They're both good.
What do you say, chicken or fish? I like both. And a little bit spicy too. Wow, Ivana, 5 star. Do you have any tea?
Look what I made.
What is it?
Some syrup.
Oh, rose?
Yeah.
Rose syrup?
Yeah, try it.
Is it cold?
Of course.
How'd you make it?
The rose mixture syrup that you can just buy at the grocery store. This is what I bought.
Whoa, sweet, sugary drink. For me, Teo ice croissant.
This is what I bought. Rose syrup. But it is sugary. Actually, this is not bad. If you go to a restaurant, they put a lot more sugar.
They put tons of sugar in it.
Yeah.
For me, Teo ice croissant, green tea.
This is one of my favorite Malaysian drink. They have it in every eatery, every restaurant.
This food you could never be full of. You can eat this all day until your stomach bulges out. Yeah, the fish is better.
I like both, man.
No, the fish is amazing. Wow. Buttermilk, a little bit spicy, peanut butter, fried fish. 5 stars. Way to go, Malaysia. Malaysia really figured out all the good food.
This is a good, quick recipe. Easy.
Right. Compared to our nasi lemak and our nasi kukus, which took all day, this is a quick recipe. Fry some meat, make some sauce, and then make rice. Wow, 5 stars. Look how yummy this is. Ooh, yeah. She's like curry leaves, peanut butter, buttermilk. It's good.
You eat so fast.
Ivana, I'm gonna devour this. There you have it, guys. Buttermilk chicken. Anything more you want to add?
My mouth is full.
Same. Stay tuned for some more vlogs. What will we make next? We don't know. We're thinking nasi kandar with biryani rice. Stay tuned, Malaysia. More Malaysian food coming. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna
5 stars.
finish this plate. Oh, 5 stars.
How much would you pay for a
How much would you pay for this plate? Oh my gosh. With the Teo ice croissant, 8 ringgits.
8 ringgit. Wow. Okay, not bad.
8 ringgits.
Not bad.
Alright, guys. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one. Below us, our most recent upload. You can see what food we're making. No recipes, just Ivana's powerful brain. On the left, some of our other videos. Please subscribe to our channel. We're stuck in Malaysia now for the quarantine, and then we'll be back on the road, exploring the world and trying their food, eating it, figuring out what's in it, and Ivana will make it. Travel and cooking channel.
Ooh.
Thanks, guys. See you later.
Bye.